Okay, so what is the problem? One of the problems you have if you make a preserve. Well, how are the people going to make a living? Now, maybe they weren't making a great living, a slash and burn type of agriculture or whatever, but they were surviving. And so you have to have some alternative for them. And there are countries in the world that have made a transition. They realize the value that is present in the forest, and in many cases that value is in the form of ecotourism. It's a very good alternative to eking out a living um, in a manner that is not sustainable, such as slash and burn ecology. Now, another approach I had said on a couple of slides ago, a couple of videos ago, I had said that there's a new idea for how we should be developing parks. And the idea is to have zones. And this is the same approach that was used by the Great Bear Preserve that we saw the video about at the very beginning of this chapter. And what did we say happened there? We had said that 1/3 of it was fully protected. So what you have is you have the most critical parts of the preserve are fully protected. And when we say fully protected, I mean they are inaccessible to anyone but scientists because it's so critical for the ecology. Then when we watched the video, you saw that the Native American First Nation tour guide who was taking the reporter, and they were doing ecotourism. So you have these other very pristine areas that are available for ecotourism. And this is how the local people can make a living. But then in addition to that, we had said paper companies are harvesting trees there. And so you have an outer zone, the regions that are least critical should be open to sustainable harvest. Now that's not clear cutting, that's a harvest which meets the needs of today without compromising the needs in the future. So this is called the Man and Biosphere Program. That's what we call this. And it's a new approach to designing nature preserves.